Hi, welcome to my system here, the plasma system. I was just informed that variety is no longer working, and today, well, or maybe a little bit earlier, Python 3 has been upgraded. So if you install Python these days, it's not going to be 3.8 but 3.9, and lots of applications, well, rely on the fact that there is a folder somewhere, user lib 3.8, that has been changed to 3.9, so all these applications fail. Now we've built already lots of applications from the ArcoLinux third-party repository, which are basically things that are coming from the AUR, Arch User Repository, but there are things that are coming from ArcoLinux that need to be rebuilt as well. That's a challenge. That's an interesting thing. That's why this video. So variety, we love it, we like it. That's Discord, so that's out, and Telegram, so we are tranquille. Come, how they say it in French, we are quiet. There's no people asking or telling something while we teach. So new Python gives issues all the time. That's called change. And we have to follow it, right? And one of the things is variety. At this particular moment in time, when I boot it up, it says something about user lib Python 3.9 line 38. So there is some kind of issue with it. It's not telling that it's not existing, that the folder is not there. I had that a little bit earlier with auto tiling in Python. You can see the post in our forum. How to solve such things. Maybe it's not a bad thing that I show you our forum. You're right. Lots of issues that do not require really an article and a video and all that are here. Frequent asked questions, known issues and their solution. That's where I'll put it. And things like that go in here, like the cups, service, name change, all that. So use a search and see if you find a solution. So, challenge. This is not coming, yay variety, this is not coming from us. This is coming from ArcoLinux, some community. So, is it now in need of a rebuild? I don't know. This is our settings, that's not the application, so that can stay as long as it's necessary. But we need this thing. Variety. Maybe there's a variety kit. That could be. That's also a solution. Let's try to stop this thing, all right? And maybe there's a Git version of it. So that's another thinking process that you can say, oh, let's try in the meantime number 2 there and see if that solves things. Well, actually, that's the easiest way, right? So I think we all take the easy way out. As long as it works. We really don't care. So let's install variety kit as a solution and see if that works. Now, of course, they conflict. It's either this or that, right? That's sure, that's normal. Yes, yes. And let's see what happens. So the issue is not there. I do have a... Oh, it is working. It might be working. Depends. It depends. Error in image. Okay, that's all right. Let's see. Because can we open the preferences? Aha, we can open the preferences. Effects, manual downloading. Fine, cool. Can I set it to next wallpaper? Yes. So basically, I've already found my solution, right? The solution is go to the updated version. Now, what I was thinking is another solution. I was thinking about something more difficult because this, okay, guys, this is all right? You find an alternative, the Git version, and you install the Git version if for any application that's gonna work. If Git is up to date and so on, right? That still depends on the users, on the maintainers and all that. Well, I had in my mind as a challenge is something else. Is going to ArcoLinux variety, go in here. So this is coming, voila, flagged out of date. Thank you guys. But this is not AOR. That's cool. So this is not AOR. So it has been, well, this Jaroslav Lichtblau has got in oh, maybe this guy, maintainers, the last packager, maybe one of the two, right? Probably Felix here, has to get some time off from work, family and friends to be able to create a new package. But we could do this ourselves. That's the point. Python 3.9 rebuild, there you go. But 20 days ago, that's strange, right? Comments on, that's not that long ago that we have Python 3.9. So that's strange. Anyway, I'm gonna click, see what happens. We have this. Can we go for a browse files? Thank you very much. And we have trunk. 3 months ago is not interesting. Trunk. Package build. So this is his package build to get the stuff from Peter Levi. And if you like variety, please guys, go and support him. I've donated also some money in the past. Control C. I'm gonna get this guy. Yep. Control Shift Enter. I'm gonna go on my desktop. Let's play around on my desktop with create new text file. Package build. And then inside package build, Control V, save. Let's see if we make the package, what happens. Open a terminal here. Make the package, please. Command not found. Yeah, it's me again. Package build does not exist. Ah, yeah, sure. I did it twice. Package. All capital letters, always. So you go here, you go there, go build me something. Let's see if this works. It's important to know that you need to have an up-to-date system, that the Python 3.9 it's in. You have rebooted and all that. Okay, sudo pacman -u variety. And of course, you want to install another package. It's the same name, but it's not the same package. The one is for variety, the other is variety git. For the computer, it's a world of difference. 4 different extra letters there. So, okay, let's try out our own build from variety, coming from ArcoLinux. And I need to launch it again, I think. It's not there. What I do is press super spacebar. Then I get something at the top here. Variety, enter. Launching variety, icon is here, clicking on it, opens, fine, preferences, oops, that's my mistake, preferences, it's not opening. So the version that's coming from ArcoLinux is not working, period. Right mouse click, quit again, and then again from the terminal, have a look, maybe we can see something, we can understand something. So it might be a variety thing and not a Python 3.9 thing, that the version of Git is working and whatever code he has changed, and if you want to see, of course, you can do so. It's still open. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So where is all this coming from? From Peter Levi variety. I'm not sure if I can find the GitHub. There you are. Variety on GitHub. And releases 0.85 and ArcoLinux provides 0.84. So yeah, true, they are so right. We need to have the 8.5, the latest. Now, if I don't want to wait, and the best thing is I always say, guys, wait, be patient, ArcoLinux will fix it. But it's just fun, right? If you know what to do, you can just do it yourself. Package build, open Sublime Text. You want number 5, take number 5. This is the first version that ever gonna be built. So this is my number. This can be this number. It's all cool, right? It's my number. But 0.85, the package version, will be used here. That's a bit too big here. Package version. That's important. 0.85. Plus the checksum. the checksum is not going to be correct because it's a new package, another package. So I update the package sum with update package sum. That's it. 8.5 or 0.5 is going to be downloaded. Then we have a new a checksum, generating checksums. You'll see that this thing is changed. If you rewind the video, this line 17 is another line because of course there's another package, and we can try it again. So make me the package. The only thing we've changed is a number, a reference. So that's what they need to do, and we need to be patient for them to do it. So I can install 4, 5, I need 5, ZST, that's the one I need. So you're going to upgrade? Yes, I am. And then let's launch it from here so we can see some lines maybe, but that's not important. I see some references to files that I have. The question is it working? Is this the thing you need to do? And it is, right? So that's what ArcoLinux will do. The maintainer, I don't know what his name was again, but let's have a look at the background that's changing. So right mouse click. Ooh, right is gone, is it? Then I'm gonna launch it so it stays there because it was in a terminal. Next, that's a nice one. So Alt P, previous, and we have wallpapers. We all have wallpapers, and I have around 3000 or something like it, and I point to a Google Drive in Sync Apps Desktopper, and that's Bixby responding, thinking I need to have something, I think. So anyway,
okay, but first you'll have to unlock your device.
There you go, right? Shut up, I'm making a video here. Okay, so guys, just for the fun, figuring out things, variety fix immediately. If you do this now, you can do it, try it on your own. Soon an ArcoLinux version will come out, and then it's out of the question, then it's just working when it's all there, and Felix is gonna give us this particular update. All right, have fun.